The next materials and resources credit is purchasing lamps. This credit applies to the following categories for 1 point. The intent is to establish and maintain toxic material source reduction program to reduce the amount of mercury brought into the building site through the purchase of lamps. And mercury is a persistent bioaccumulative toxin, or PBT chemical, and a neurotoxin. PBTs, which break down extremely slowly in the environment, accumulate within animal tissue in increasing concentration up the food chain. Once present in an organism, mercury can affect the central nervous system, ultimately damaging the brain, spinal cord, kidneys, and liver. And released into the environment is difficult to contain. The breakage of lamps containing mercury releases a powder that requires extensive cleanup to limit harm to human health. This credit therefore requires project teams to develop and implement a purchasing plan for lighting with low mercury. There is no establishment period requirement. For the performance period, implement a lighting purchasing plan that specifies an overall building average of 70 picograms of mercury per lumen hour, or less for all mercury-containing lamps purchased for the building and associated grounds within the project boundary. Include lamps for both indoor and outdoor fixtures, as well as both hardwired and portable fixtures. Lamps containing no mercury may be counted only if their energy efficiency at least is equal of that mercury-containing counterpart. In terms of the documentation, provide a purchasing calculator or equivalent tracking tool listing the lamps included in the plan with their calculated picograms per lumen hour. Provide verification of mercury-free lamps and the energy efficiency of their mercury-containing counterparts. Provide a list of purchased lamps, verifying compliance with the plan, as well as the lamp purchasing plan. Exemplary performance is available for this credit when you reduce the mercury content of the lamps to an average of 35 picograms per lumen hours or less.